Hello everyone, welcome to solve this mathematical problem, which is 3 power of 9 power of x divided by 27 power of 3 power of x, which is equal to 1 over 9. Which of the following is a non-zero solution for x? So a 2 log of 3 to the base 2, b log 3 divided by log 2, c log 2 to the base 3, d1 and e2. So let's solve the problem. So recalling the problem, 3 power of 9 power of x divided by 27 power of 3 power of x, which is equal to 1 over 9. So in the first step we have to simplify the exponent of powers. So here the denominator 27 can be expressed as 3 squared times 3, which is equal to 3 the power of 3. Means this 27 power of 3 power of x will be 3 power of 3 times 3 power of x. 27 power of 3 power of x will be 3 power of 3 times 3 power of x. So let's use this expression into our problem. 3 power of 9 power of x divided by 3 power of 3 times 3 power of x, which is equal to 1 over 9. So we know that a power of n divided by a power of m is equal to a power of n minus m. So applying this rule into our problem, so this 3 power of 9 power of x minus 3 times 3 power of x, which is equal to 1 over 9. Now simplify 9 as 3 power of 2. So our equation will be 3 is the power of 9 power of x times 3, minus 3 times 3 is the power of x, which is equal to 1 over 3 square. So this 1 over 3 power of 2 can be expressed as 3 power of minus 2. So our equation will be 3 to the power of 9 power of x minus 3 times 3 to the power of x, which is equal to 3 power of minus 2. Now we have the same base, which is 3. So 3 is equal to 3, and 9 power of x minus 3 times 3 power of x, which is equal to minus 2. So our equation will be 9 power of x minus 3 times 3 power of x, which is equal to minus 2. Now we can bring this minus 2, or we can add 2 on both sides of the equation. So 9 power of x minus 3 times 3 power of x plus 2, which is equal to minus 2 plus 2. So this will be 9 power of x minus 3 times 3 power of x plus 2, which is equal to 0. And again we can simplify this 9 power of x, since 9 is equal to 3 squared. So this will be 3 squared power of x minus 3 times 3 power of x plus 2 is equal to 0. So we know that a power of m power of n is equal to a power of n power of m. So applying this rule into this term, 3 power square power of x is equal to 3 power of x power of 2. So let's substitute this one into the equation. This will be 3 power of x power of 2 minus 3 times 3 power of x plus 2 is equal to 0. So our final simplified equation will be this one, and now we can use substitution. So let's y, which is equal to 3 to the power of x. So let's substitute this y, which is equal to 3 to the power of x, into the equation. So the equation will be y squared minus 3 times y plus 2, which is equal to 0, which is quadratic. So we can solve this equation by using quadratic formula, which is y, which is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c divided by 2 times a. Now let's identify the coefficients of the equation. So we have a, which is equal to 1, b, which is equal to minus 3, and c, which is equal to 2. So let's substitute these coefficients into quadratic formula. So y, which is equal to minus of minus 3 plus or minus the square root of minus 3 the square minus 4 times 1 times 2 divided by 2 times 1. So y, which is equal to, this will be minus times minus will be plus. So 3 plus or minus the square root of minus 3 square will be 9 minus 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 8 divided by 2, which is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 8 will be 1 divided by 2, and this will be 3 plus or minus 1 divided by 2. So y is equal to 3 plus 1 over 2, or y, which is equal to 3 minus 1 over 2. So this will be 4 over 2, which is 2, and this will be 2 over 2, which is 1. So we have y, which is equal to 2, or y, which is equal to 1. But we know that y is equal to 3 to the power of x. So let's use y2, which is equal to 3 to the power of x. Since it's exponential equation, so we can solve by using logarithmic equation. So log of 2, which is equal to log of 3 power of x. So according to the rule of logarithm, this exponent will come to the base. So our equation will be log 2, which is equal to x times log 3. So x, which is equal to log 3 divided by log 2. So we know that log of a divided by log of b is equal to log of a to the base b. So our x will be, that is log of 3 to the base 2, will be the first solution of our problem. And for y, which is equal to 1, 3 power of x, which is equal to 1. So introducing logarithm, log 3 the power of x, which is equal to log of 1. So this x comes to the base, x times log of 3, which is equal to log of 1, and x, which is equal to log 1 divided by log 3. We know that this log 1 is 0, so x will be 0. So we are asked to find the non-zero solution for x. So our solution will be this one. So let's find this answer from the given alternatives. So a is 2 log 2 log 3 to the base 2, b log 3 divided by log 2, c log 2 to the base 3, and d1 is, so our final solution will be c. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.